Capybara Chronicles, the life of nature's most laid-back animal. In the wetlands and forests of South America, there exists an animal that seems to have mastered the art of living in complete tranquility. This animal is the capybara, and it's far more than just the world's largest rodent. In fact, if capybaras had a mantra, it would be something like, "Work smarter, not harder." Except, well, they don't work very hard at all. At first glance, a capybara may seem like an oversized guinea pig on vacation, and that wouldn't be entirely wrong. These animals, weighing up to 150 pounds, have earned a reputation for being calm, social, and utterly unbothered by the stresses of life. If you were to look up relaxed in the dictionary, you might just find a picture of a capybara lounging in a mud bath. A day in the life of a capybaras are semi-aquatic creatures, meaning they split their time between land and water. Their daily agenda typically includes grazing on grasses, cooling off in rivers or ponds, and mingling with a surprisingly diverse group of friends. Unlike other animals that avoid interaction with other species, capybaras take a very open-minded approach to socializing. It's not uncommon to see birds perched on their backs, grooming them, or even monkeys using them as stepping stools. It's as if the capybara has declared, "My back is everyone's business." They even get along with their natural predators. Jaguars, anacondas, and caimans often prey on capybaras. But capybaras are so calm under pressure that they've been spotted hanging out near these predators, as if they're all at a casual neighborhood barbecue. It's almost like they're thinking, if I don't act stressed, maybe the jaguar will think I'm not worth the trouble. Masters of adaptability, while capybaras are known for their laid-back lifestyle, they're also remarkably well adapted to their environment. Their webbed feet make them excellent swimmers, and they can hold their breath underwater for up to 5 minutes. This is particularly useful when predators are nearby. Rather than running, a capybara will slip into the water and stay submerged, sometimes with just its nose above the surface, blending into the environment like a true escape artist. On land, capybaras are surprisingly agile for their size. They're capable of sprinting when necessary, but if given the choice between running and just chilling in a mud bath, they'll always pick the latter. Family first, capybaras are also deeply social animals. They live in groups of 10 to 20, but during the dry season, when water sources become limited, herds can grow to as many as 100. These herds are organized with a clear hierarchy, led by a dominant male, though the social order is fairly relaxed, much like everything else about the capybara. It's not uncommon for lower-ranking males and females to share babysitting duties, making sure the young are always under a watchful eye. What's especially fascinating is the communication among capybaras. They're surprisingly vocal animals, using purrs, barks, whistles, and grunts to communicate with each other. You might not expect a rodent to be so talkative, but capybaras have a language all their own. Imagine a day at the office where every grunt and whistle means something. Well, that's a day in the life of a capybara herd. Fun and little known. Facts: capybaras are highly efficient eaters. Their digestive system is built to extract maximum nutrition from tough grasses, but that's not the whole story. Like rabbits, capybaras practice coprophagy, which means they eat their own droppings to help digest food a second time. It might not sound glamorous, but it's incredibly efficient. Capybaras are surprisingly odorless. Despite their time spent in water and mud, capybaras don't give off a strong scent, making them quite pleasant to be around for other animals. Maybe that's why they're such a hit at the animal kingdom's version of happy hour. They can sleep in water, If you think you've mastered the art of relaxation, the capybara is here to outdo you. These animals can actually sleep while partially submerged, keeping just their nose above the waterline. It's like they've invented their own version of a floating spa. Conclusion: the capybara mindset. In many ways, the capybara can teach us a few things about life. Don't sweat the small stuff, spend time with those you care about, and, if possible, take a nap in the nearest body of water, whether they're lounging with friends or dodging predators with zen-like calm. Capybaras remind us that sometimes the best way to handle life's challenges is with a little patience and maybe a swim. So next time you're feeling stressed out by the fast-paced world we live in, just ask yourself, what would a capybara do? If you enjoyed learning these wild facts, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe for more incredible nature content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.